All right, Kickstarter, time to get a little crazy here, all right? So, we are on the Nature Man campaign. We're up to $864 of our $2,000 goal, still a little bit away. I figured let's give this campaign a little shot in the arm. There are people out there on Kickstarter doing some crazy stunts, drinking hot sauce, doing a lot of, craziness like that. I figured I would have to do something a little bit more in line with my interest, and in that respect, we'll go over here to a leg press machine. Okay, let's see if I can get this in focus here. Okay, I'll warn people not to try this at home. Real plates, no foam plates, and as the title of this video probably says, we'll be doing $1 per pound. I don't know what we're going to do when this machine runs out of space for this type of thing. At this point, I will point out that these are, I don't know if you could see that, 45-pound plates. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight of those at 45 on each side. That makes 90, so we're at 720. Put on these 25s on each side, 770. 100-pound sled. You can see this is one of the big monster sleds. So we're at 100 pounds on the sled. Takes us to 870. Okay, we're at 864 on the Kickstarter. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that extra bit for all the backing and support that people have done already. All right, I will say again, do not try this at home. I did do a bunch of warm-ups. So I have let's see, did a leg extension, leg extension, then the Smith machine squats, okay? So I did 3 sets of leg extension, 4 sets of squats on the Smith, and I did do a few sets on the leg press already. Okay, so let us set this up where you'll be able to see it. Okay, I believe that'll do it. And now, time for Feats of Strength. All right, give this a shot. $1 per pound. Check out the Nature Man campaign. Got the link in the notes. Okay, here we go. Get the leg set up. Have the pad all the way back. No little keeping it all the way up and doing like a 1-inch movement. We'll try to get a full movement out of this. All right. Gotta get the feet situated right, and here we go. All right, and that does it. Just want everyone, see if you can contribute to the campaign. We'll come back on my next leg workout, see where the dollar amount is, and go from there. So once again, that's Nature Man on Kickstarter. and we'll see you over there real soon.